How to spray your yard for dog ticks or deer ticks. Deer ticks and the 800 other species of ticks around the globe can spread numerous diseases, such as Rocky Mountain spotted fever and Lyme disease, to you and your pets. Most ticks congregate where grass and bushes are the thickest, so keeping their numbers low involves distributing an effective insecticide and keeping a regular maintenance routine in your yard to keep hiding places to a minimum. Things you will need: spray canister with hose and dispenser, liquid insecticide, hand seeder, granular insecticide, tick flag, lawnmower. Mow your grass to a height of no more than 3 inches, using a bagging attachment to contain your clippings to garbage bags you conceal. Drag a tick flag around your yard. The flags have a flannel cloth connected to a pole that will collect ticks as it passes through your grass. This will let you know the areas with the greatest concentrations of ticks. Purchase an appropriate insecticide to eradicate ticks. Available in granular or liquid forms, it can be applied to your yard with either a hand seeder or a spray canister. Some common insecticides for outdoor applications are acaricide, carbaryl and pyrethroids, such as cyfluthrine or deltamethrin. Unscrew your spray canister's top cover, and pour in the insecticide. Dilute the liquid with water, if instructed to do so on the labeling. Replace the canister cover tightly. Start spraying the yard closest to your house, walking in rings around your home in an outward fashion. Fully mist the grass and shrubbery until you see a sheen. Spray in a back and forth motion. Continue around your yard until you've sprayed the entire area. Tips: warnings. A liquid pesticide will kill the active tick population most effectively, however a granular approach will be more long-lasting, killing larval and dormant ticks over a series of weeks. If you're using a granular insecticide, load a hopper of a hand seeder, and walk around your yard the same way you did with the liquid insecticide.